Hi everyone, I'm Philip with iRobot, and this is the Roomba Plus 405 Combo Robot Plus AutoWash Dock. This Roomba is ideal for anyone looking for a more detailed and hands-free cleaning experience. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few of my personal favorite things that this Roomba can provide for you. But before we go any deeper into this video, I do want to mention that the cardboard insert that comes inside the box is super helpful, as this is going to give you a visual step-by-step guide on getting your new Roomba ready for first-time use. I'm going to jump ahead to step 6, as this is a QR code that you'll want to scan with your phone, and this will bring you to the appropriate store, whether iOS or an Android device, to download the new Roomba Home app. This will take you through the remaining steps of getting your Roomba onto your Wi-Fi network and unlock a whole host of different things that this Roomba can do. So as you can see, I've already taken everything out of the box already, so let's get started. So the first thing I need to tell you about this Roomba is that it's going to produce really clean floors regardless of flooring you have in your home. It's got really strong suction power that'll automatically adjust depending on what floor type it's on. The DualClean spinning mop pads are going to provide that detailed mopping experience that we're looking for. And the Roomba Plus 405 Combo Robot is smart enough to know as I approach any carpeted surfaces in the home, I've got to raise the mopping pads up to protect them from getting wet, while increasing the suction power, as that's when that's needed the most. But the moment I get off that carpeted surface, I'm going to re-lower down my mopping pads to give you that combo cleaning experience. Now there's a whole host of different cleaning options available for you, whether you want a more detailed mopping experience, a more detailed vacuuming experience, different cleaning modes. You can do all of that through the Roomba Home app, or you can always get started like with any of our Roombas by simply pressing the power button. Now it's great that this Roomba is going to provide us with a detailed cleaning experience, and we have multiple options to get that done in our home, but I also love the fact that you can control where you want to clean in your home. So maybe you just need to clean the bathroom and the area rug in the living room, or the entire home while still avoiding the dog's water bowl. You can do all of that through the Roomba Home app. And while Roomba's navigating throughout your home, Roomba will avoid bumping into walls and furniture. So as an owner of 3 dogs who literally shed year round, I can safely say I left my favorite thing for last. And this is the AutoWash Dock, as this is going to give us that hands-free cleaning experience that we're all looking for. As Roomba vacuums and mops the floors in our home, all the dry debris that it picks up during its cleaning missions will be automatically emptied into this enclosed disposable bag that's up front here. When the bag is full, simply pull the bag up, throw the bag away, put the new bag in, and you're ready to go for another 75 days. This tank right here is going to be your clean water tank. This is going to constantly refresh Roomba's mopping pads between each cleaning mission and between certain rooms. So the last thing we want to do is go and clean the bathroom and then take all that and go clean the kitchen immediately after. Instead, Roomba Plus 405 Combo Robot's going to head home to the AutoWash Dock, refresh its pads, and then pick up in the next room. This is going to provide us with a better cleaning experience. So that was just a few things that this Roomba can provide for you, but to wrap this thing up, the Roomba Plus 405 Combo Robot Plus AutoWash Dock has a really strong suction power, and the DualClean spinning mop pads are going to give you that detailed cleaning experience that we're all looking for, while still smart enough to know I need to raise my mopping pads up the moment I get near carpeted areas. You can choose when and where you want this smart, detailed cleaning experience to happen within your home, and the AutoWash Dock does it all. It's going to automatically empty the dry debris for up to 75 days. It's going to wash and dry the mopping pads when it's needed, and take all that dirty water, keep it completely away from everywhere else, and this dock is smart enough to know when to wash itself. All of this makes this Roomba the perfect choice if you're looking for a more detailed and hands-free cleaning experience. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.